the new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hello folks, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today is from my Bougie Baddies on a budget series. So this unit I did cop with my own coins from Amazon. The company is Nasia or in Nasia or something like that. I'll talk more about that later on in the outro portion of this video. This unit does not come with any combs whatsoever. It only comes with a drawstring, as you guys can see me doing that here. And yeah, that is basically it with the styling. So if you're interested in any more details, specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you little bugs in the outro. Bye!
Time moves fast when I'm with you. Went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Early mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you by my side, looking so beautiful. Yeah, I got high when I met you.
Okay, little bugs, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit is a wig that I caught with my own coins, and it is from our Bougie Baddies on a budget series, honey. I know it's been a minute, okay? It's been a minute since I've added another wig to this particular series, but we're back, girl, and I got a whole nother one that I'm gonna do after this one. I actually bought two this go around, so it'll be another one coming soon as well. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. I did get my nose pierced. I did, and I did vlog it actually. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, we'll get more into that later, okay? But yeah, so this particular wig is, like I said, from my not booty girl, not booty. This is from my Bougie Baddies on a budget series, and I did get this wig from Amazon. All of the wigs that I do on this particular series are from Amazon. So this particular wig was $20, honey. Girl, let me say it again for you. $20, honey, okay? So this wig is from the brand in Nasia. If y'all hear screaming, Juicy is playing his game because he's quarantining, and if you hear screaming, it's him, okay? But yeah, this is from the brand in Nasia, and it says short, kinky, curly wig, headband wrap, 2-in-1 wig, synthetic black wigs with bangs, leopard print turban wrap, wig updo, afro puff, drawstring, ponytail extension for black women, girl. Well, okay, I probably could see this one saying for black women because the texture is more of a kinky, curly texture. So I'll let them slide, okay? I'll let them slide. It says leopard turban wig with bangs in Nasia. The hair type is kinky and the material is synthetic, honey. So old girl is a synthetica, and it says it says ponytail on here, and I think it's because it's a drawstring that it says ponytail, but you can definitely, as you guys can see, I'm wearing it as a wig, and I just feel like this is the perfect solution for people who want a headband wig and they don't want to show their edges, or they want a headband wig that's not expensive. Okay, so I feel like this is just the perfect alternative for a lot of different people, and I saw it and I was like, ooh, she wants to try that, okay? She wants to try that. Now, this wig does not come with any combs whatsoever, but the company did send bobby pins with it. So if you want to, maybe you can use the bobby pins or whatever. I feel perfectly fine, unless I got into a fight. If I got into a fight, they could just snatch this sucker right off my head. But your girl don't foresee any fights in my future, okay? So I think it fits really good, and like I said, it does come with bobby pins if you feel like you need the bobby pins. So like, as far as with the structure of this wig, as I stated, it does not come with any combs whatsoever. It is just a drawstring type, a ponytail type deal. Like, it's just a drawstring in the back that, child, I was supposed to be tucking in, but she must didn't do a good job, honey. So yeah, it's just a drawstring in the back that you can tuck under the turban. And literally after you put it on, that is all you have to do. Like, unless you want to, you know, make it more secure with the bobby pins. And then you want to pull the curls apart a little bit to give it a little more volume, a little more puff to it, to make it look a little more realistic. And that is basically it as far as the construction and styling of this wig. Now, that is pretty much it as far as those particular details about the unit. If you are interested in a full 360 and how I feel about this wig, then please continue to watch. So I ain't gonna hold you sis any longer. I'm feeling the wig. I think the wig is really, really cute. It's really, really easy. It's just definitely an easy, really, really easy slay. Like, I have no issues with this wig or whatsoever. It was just easy to just throw on and go. Now, she won't be everybody's cup of tea, but to me, she's my cup of tea, honey, because I be looking for something that I can just throw on, because your girl is lazy, okay? If you watch me, you know you hear it all the time. I'm lazy, okay? It's nobody's secret. It's nobody's secret that I'm lazy. So yeah, I love this wig. When I saw it, I could have literally jumped for joy. That's how happy I was when I saw this wig, and I was like, yes! I hope it looks as good as it looks on Amazon, and it did. It did look as good. In my opinion, it actually looks maybe even a little better, honey. Okay, she looks good. She didn't come like I thought she was gonna look. Like, it's so inexpensive. It's only $20, so I really wasn't sure. I wasn't sure what I was going to get. And the whole point of this series is for me to show you guys, you know, buy different wigs, see how they are, and let you guys know if it's worth the coins. Okay, this one, in my opinion, is definitely worth the coins. And you can get it in different textures and get the headbands and different colors, and the wig, they even have a red one. Child, I need that red one. How did I miss you, boo? Ooh, I know how I missed it, because it has a green headband. But yeah, it comes in different colors. It's just like a whole look to me. Like, shout out to this brand, this company. Shout out to y'all, because this is a really good idea. I love it, okay? Especially when I always like to wear my headband wigs, and I'll pull them up and all that stuff. It just takes away so much. It's just a look, honey. It's just a look. It's a vibe. I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360. Don't worry about my kitchen. Worry about your own kitchen. Don't start with me, sis, in that comment section. I don't want to hear it, okay? I don't want to hear it. Worry about your kitchen. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. May need to put a little more in the back. But yeah, I'm feeling it. Let me know down below if you guys are feeling it. Do you think it's a look? Is it a vibe? Do you own this wig? Did you know about this wig? Let your girl know down below in the comments, honey, and we are done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. On Help Me See on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.